Shemai pawb, welcome to How to Create Flag Rocks with Miss Power. To make your flag rocks, you will need round rocks, a flag reference, a pencil and some paint. First, you will need to look for some rocks that are a roundish shape and quite flat. You could look in your garden, in your street, or maybe even on your walk. Then, choose the flag design you want to use and outline them with a pencil on the rock. Each flag must represent a country that took part in the Olympics. Next, use the paint to colour the rocks in. Make sure you use the correct colours to represent the flags. Lastly, wait for your rocks to dry and then you'll have lots of beautifully coloured rocks. I hope you enjoyed this activity. Remember to upload your creations to Seesaw. See you next time. Bye!